I'm making something really delicious.
Today we are making delicious blueberry pound cake. Yummy! The ingredients are in this video description, but as you can see, these are the things you're going to need to make this delicious blueberry pound cake. So look at that beautiful bundt can. We need this for the mixing bowl. What else? Oh yes, actual measuring cup for liquid blueberries. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What else do we have here? Okay, non-fat. Of course, it's non-fat, Greek yogurt. Okay, that's just the way it comes. Okay, whole milk. By the way, that was plain Greek yogurt. We need a 1 cup for measuring what? Dry things. Here's our pure vanilla extract. Okay, right there. Look at that by me, Jeree. Oh, well, this video's by me. As a matter of fact, I'm setting up right now to make sure that I can bring you this video. All right, let's get started. So I like to just sift my flour. It's already been sifted, but I just do it again. And so, listen, I'm going to put 1 cup in here, but go ahead and make sure you read the recipe in this video description because I'm just going to go through this really fast. I'm putting all kind of things in here that's required. And there's a little pinch of salt. Okay, now let's mix all of this up. Yeah, do it like that. So we do that first. And now I do the same thing with the sugar. I like to just sift my sugar just because, I don't know, it just feels good to just do it and it's kind of fun. Look at what's left in there though. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add the sugar into the bowl. Make sure you get all the sugar. 1 cup. All right, there it is. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other. I don't know. Again, make sure you check the recipe in the video description. Look at that. Put that butter in there. Oh, it's always delicious with butter, baby. You gotta add the butter. Mix it in there. There we go. Now let's go ahead and turn this on. Whee! This is so much fun. You gotta get you one. If you don't have one, get one. It will save your arm and save time. And plus, it's just like a merry-go-round, around and round and go. Okay, there. Guess what? Almond extract. Okay, there's the vanilla. I think that might have been the secret. The almond is absolutely delicious. If you add the almond extract to it, look at that. Put your eggs in 1 at a time, folks. That's what I do. That's what the instructions called to do. There we are, just mixing it in. Look at that. It's looking so delicious and yummy, yummy. Turn it on. Wee-hee-hee-hee. You have to get one of these. Okay, look at that batter. Let's go ahead. So what I did was I added half of the ingredients and then mixed it and then added the other half. You saw what I did. So there it is. Now let's turn on the mixer and I'm telling you now, guess what? Go ahead and put your blueberries at the bottom of the bundt pan. All right. Bundt cake pan. Make sure you do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and add these blueberries in here. And so there you go. Now that I didn't show that, but their blueberries are in there. I folded in the blueberries. Now I'm making the icing. Okay. This is the glaze, if you will. And so you just add that and it's really, really easy to do, by the way. And then you just drizzle it on there and you just drizzle as much as you want to your liking, depending on how much of a sweet tooth you want to have or whoever you're cooking this for. But look at how absolutely moist this blueberry pound cake is. Look how it just fell over. Oh my goodness. Go ahead and put the fork in there so you can see it in real time. As a matter of fact, take a bite. This one's for you. Okay, no, take this one. I need for you to get the bite with the blueberries in there and the glaze. It's so delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And there's your slice of cake for a friend. No, seriously, call a friend and tell them about this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful blueberry day.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. I will see you next time.